And just like that, we're back. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Welcome back. Thanks for clicking on another video. We're framing the walls today. In the last video, we framed the deck. Whoa, throwing rocks at me over there. In the last video, we framed the deck. If you haven't seen that, click right here. But yep. And with that, let's jump into a little bit of a montage.
Dude! You got it.
Oh god. How the fuck are you supposed to do it?
No, you gotta do 5. Just give me a shot of throwing these on my shoulder.
All right, boys, we got one of the walls up. Dane, we got a wall up. We got a wall up. We got a wall up. Wall up. Wall up. Look at the size of that fucking wall up. So next we gotta get some more walls up.
Dropped in the gutter. Simple.
Another reason it's not. Dane, what's going on here?
The siding's coming off, Jack, so we can put up the wall.
Yeah, we gotta take this siding off before we get another wall up. All right, so we got all the siding off. Starting the second wall. John's putting some studs in. All right, so we got both walls up here. Time for the third wall.
This one's got a fat window in it.
Oh,
Big
yeah.
old.
Double wide.
You got any plans after
Oh
this?
my god, I don't know. Oh! Sorry.
What an idiot.
Yeah, so we'll update you once this wall's up, show you the progress, and here we go.
Window stuff. So, mark the center of the window.
There's the center.
How do we get that? It says on the plan where the window is. Then we have another wall here.
Yeah, wall coming this way.
So we're gonna hold 5.5.
Yep.
Get the other wall, because we're measuring from the outside of the house. Walk it down, walk it down, walk it down.
So there's your center.
8'3". Width of the window is 72. So you go half of that, 36. You take there, mark it, opening, boom, boom, boom. Go over to 72, mark it, boom, boom.
And what are these marks mean? What do these marks mean, Dave?
Your Jack and your King stud. Jack King. Jack King.
So if anyone's curious, the addition is going right where this window is going to be. Or there's going to be a door here. And there we are, outside. Almost done with the third wall at the moment. I came inside because I just hit my finger super hard with the hammer. But yeah, just got one more smaller wall to put on, and yeah, should be finishing up pretty soon for the day. All right, guys, it's the next morning. We're gonna do some more sheathing on the old framing job.
We got throw sheets up on the walls we put up yesterday. Finish that off. Then we gotta throw up the last wall, which will be interesting because we gotta take more siding down.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Gotta take that siding off.
I've never seen this. We're putting rough side in.
Rough side in, you say?
This is rough side. This is the smooth side. This is like your scrotum. This is like your shaft.
Yeah.
Scrotum's always puffed out.
Wrinkly side out.
So this is this side down. Space all edges 1/8 inch.
Yeah, right.
Fuck that.
You put them super tight. What does this one say?
Then did you know that this process of sheathing is purely to keep the animals out? It serves no like functionality. It's just to keep like squirrels and stuff out.
It's so wrong.
Yeah, it's just like this is coming down.
Yeah, okay. What's good, little man?
Oh, God.
Then give him a high five.
He's cooler than a high five.
You got nuts?
Okay, you know what? We're gonna pull 92 and a half.
92 and a half.
All right, this has got to be on.
Take an inch, don't matter that much. You say 90, what you say?
92 half is what we're gonna do.
92 half, let's go 93, don't matter that much.
We need to. Okay.
Just did 93. Then snapping the line.
This has got to be right on for the window. Okay, looking good. That's all we need to do. We got 92 half. And up here, we got 90.
Close enough. Close enough.
What the?
Never take an inch, dude. Doesn't matter on the window.
Yes, it does.
Okay, and then we'll make a turn. Turn. Hopefully this piece fits. Where are we going? Oh, house is over here. Hey, Brick. Alright, guys, that's all for this video. Got a lot done today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.